Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Then go into additional settings and now tap on one-handed mode. Click on the switcher to activate it and pick one of those options to change size of your shrink screen. Now follow those instructions. Swipe left or right from the home button to pull the screen closer to one side. If you want to use your smartphone with your right hand, you need to swipe to the right. Then go back by clicking on the blank area. If you wish to use it with your left hand, do the same to the left. Then go back the same way. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!